We in the kitchen today, boy! We're gonna be making chopped cheese sandwiches today. I've actually never had a chopped cheese before, but I've had steak and cheese, which is obviously different, but in the same kind of like realm. You know what I mean? We're gonna snack on these right here. Here, look at this. You're supposed to have tomatoes for this, but I don't like tomatoes, so I'm not putting tomatoes on mine. And then you cut it in half. Don't judge me with my knife techniques. I'm not a professional chef, chat. I just do this for fun. And if I don't chop my fingers off, that's a win for me. Oh. Onion, good to go. Lettuce time, baby. Let's go. Okay. I don't know the best way to cut lettuce. Oh. I guess that's the best way to cut lettuce. Look at that. He said very thin slices. That should be enough for 2 sandwiches. Generous salting of the meat, okay? And you know me. I'm a big pepper guy, chat. Ugh. Good to go. I'm gonna put the first patty down. We can just squish it all down there. Ah! The butter burned me! It's okay. We're fine. That's what we're working with. Let's put the onions in. Onions. Chop that shit up, boy. We're gonna let that cook a little bit. Right, we flip it, and then you chop it up. I wanna preheat the oven. I don't wanna go too deep.
That's what she said.
Prodigal has made my life different by showing me this specific brand of butter. Kerrygold Pure Irish Butter. And it's the best butter I've ever fucking had, bro. Don't judge me, I'm using my fingers. Putting this in the oven to get toasty. I'm aggressively chopping. I'm like a machine. I am the machine. This is looking good, boy. This is looking hella good. Okay, I think we're ready for cheese. American cheese. Let me check on the bread. It's like almost ready. We almost timed this perfectly, I think. Oh, it's almost melted. It's almost melted. Okay. Mayonnaise. Now, I like mayonnaise a lot. Put a generous, very generous amount of mayonnaise. Ketchup. Okay. Okay, all right. Lettuce. Oh, this boy is thick. All right. Come on. Come on, chat. Look at that. Bro. Oh my god. That is fucking good. That is fucking so good. Oh my god. Holy shit. We did it! We made chopped cheese, bro. I didn't think I was gonna say this, but I think I might like this more than a steak and cheese. But out of sandwiches I've made, I'd say this is a solid 9, maybe even a 9.5. Out of every sandwich I've ever made. It's pretty fucking good, I'm not gonna lie. Shout out to YouTube.